What's up, party people? Android Stud here. Today I have the LG G7 ThinQ. That's right, I have the T-Mobile version, as you can see there. And this is the 64 gigabyte model that comes with that dedicated AI button. A lot of controversy with this phone. A lot of people are saying $749 is too much money for this. Not sure about the notch. The bezels might be too big. A lot of different questions about this, but we're gonna unbox this right now. So let's take a look at it now. Ooh. LG has they give you a nice little microfiber cloth that has the LG branding on it. And there's the other surprise, guys. It comes with that 6.1 inch super bright display, has the dedicated AI camera. It has an AI button, and take a look at this. You have the dual 16 megapixel cameras. Then on the front you have the 8 megapixel camera. The color is really pretty. That's a nice looking phone there. If you check it out, look at that color. All right, let's take a look and see what comes in the box. LG second year promise. Our promise is that we will give you peace of mind for the second year limited warranty coverage. Where you get the SIM card comes with it. You also get the Type-C white cable that comes with your phone. And you also have the LG fast charger. All right, the moment that you guys have been waiting for. Ooh, love that sound. Look at this beauty. Yes, sir. What do you guys think? Pretty, huh? Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, so I sparked this up. I'm gonna put in my information here. All right, so I got everything set up. Just want to give you fair warning about when you set this up on T-Mobile. This is the Raspberry Rose edition. Beautiful color there. That you have to, you're gonna get an update as soon as you sign on, and it takes like 10 minutes, so hang in there. But this display is a lot better than the LG G7. This is supposed to be a super bright display, 6.1 Quad HD. This is not 1080p, folks. This is the real deal. This is the OnePlus 6, and as you can see, it's got that notch. And the OnePlus 6 is fairly bigger. You have the P20 Pro, which is also thicker and bigger than the LG G7. They both feature that glass back. The OnePlus 6 has that midnight black. One of the things that the LG G7 features is the ability to get rid of the notch. You want to get rid of the notch, you just go into second screen, and you pick custom, and you can put it black, and it gets rid of it. You could also put some colors there. That one kind of matches the rose gold. Notch is probably the biggest notch of the phones that I have. It's bigger than the OnePlus 6, as you can see. And then it is definitely bigger than the P20 Pro. P20 Pro probably has the smallest notch out of these three. We talked about the cameras, the dual 16 megapixel cameras, which are really good. Then you got the 8 megapixel camera on the front. And remember, these both feature the wide angle, and you know I love that wide angle, so I'm really gonna be enjoying that. One of the things that people say when it comes to this device is $749. But you know what? It's got IP68 waterproof, water resistant, dust resistant, whatever you want to call it. Also has wireless charging, QI wireless charging. It has the great speakers, has a better camera. It has a better display, definitely a better display than the G6 or the V20 before that. It's running Android 8.0. It doesn't have 8.1, so hopefully it'll get 8.1 coming up here soon. Not sure about Android P. LG hasn't done a great job as far as updating their devices. This device is definitely a smaller device, smaller than the P20, a lot thinner than the P20, a lot smaller than the P20, smaller than the OnePlus 6. Also, OnePlus 6 is very wide and bigger. It has looks like it just has a bigger overall screen. This is all screen. There's some bezel there on the bottom, as you can see. But yeah, man, this is the LG G7 ThinQ, and I wanted to just kind of unbox it, show it off a little bit. Really not gonna get into a lot of the features or anything like that. Gonna use it some this weekend, and we'll see what happens. But this is the raspberry rose color, as you can see. Almost like a reddish pink. So that's what rose is. It's a reddish pink, but it's a good looking phone. Let's check out some features here on the camera. Turn on locations. Let's see if we could do a portrait of this shot here, and I could post it in the video. This also comes with the Google Lens, and also it has an AI camera on here. So now we're gonna try a little selfie camera here. On here, portrait mode. That was one of the issues with the front-facing camera, that it wasn't very good. So hopefully it has gotten better. She's a beauty, man. She pretty much has everything. She's $749. I would get this over the V35 for 900 bucks any day. But that'll do it, man. That's the G7 ThinQ. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I am going to leave you now with some of that sexy video of this on the wooden table. Enjoy it, party people.